recording.
My hiccups are funny.
Baby's got hiccups. Yeah, I see it. So we can get baby to move around for us. Is that butt down there?
Right here's
Or shoulder?
top shoulder. Butts. Well, this is like butt hip. Right here. Baby's LOA, so.
Okay, you don't have to mess with baby anymore. They don't want to move at this point. There we go.
That's the like hip back area, and baby's push it over here with feet. There's a bulge over here where there's a foot sticking.
What movement I just saw really clearly too. I think largely because of the shadow that it was casting down there. Where's that bulge you're talking about?
Right here. I mean, to me it's a bulge, but there's a foot right there. Oh, see, I push the foot, and you look at that come up right here. It's like I say hi to the foot and baby. You can see baby come up right there.
Okay, I gotcha. You're pressing on your right side and the whole left side's moving.
Yeah, because I'm pushing on the foot and baby's keeping that leg straight instead of bending the foot.
Let's see, can we see the foot when you do that?
And then the foot comes back
Not
up.
so much. I was hoping to see some of those sweeping movements that we've seen. Well, there you have it, baby. Guys, an unborn baby's got the hiccups. I'd like to know what all the hiccup theorists have to say to explain that. Oh, I forgot I'm recording in 4K, so this is now 1.3 gig.